guys, today we are going to read a Bluey book. The name of the Bluey book is called Bingo. This is the photo of Bingo. Okay, we're going to start. Bingo. Say hello to Bluey's little sister, Bingo. Carrot on. She's really good at flossing the dance, not her teeth. We can't be little, and this is a big salad spinner. Bingo likes playing games with Bluey. Bingo loves bugs. She loves them so much, she sings a song to them. Poor little bug on the wall, ting ching. Bingo and Bluey have lots of fun together. Lovely day for a drive, wouldn't it? You say, Rita. Sherry's Janet. So guys, that was Bingo. One of my favorite books, but not my favorite. Hope you enjoy. So what should I do in my next video? Okay, bye guys.